New day, new activity. Today I've worked hard all day. A friend of mine has suggested to go to a hot springs in the woods, and I've never been before, and I am really intrigued by it because most of the other hot springs around here are kind of like a pool version and very commercialized, very artificial. So waiting for a ride now, and we're gonna head to the hot springs. I'll show you what it looks like. It is a lovely Saturday morning and I was supposed to catch up my work, but it was so lovely, the weather, and I figured it's gonna be my last weekend here. So I gathered some friends and decided to come on a hike, which is nice because in Bansko the town is so small. You can literally get anywhere by walking, including going for hikes like this. And so I'm just following the river path now with some friends that, you know, you either know or don't know. It's fine because this community is very active and you can always find someone to do something, whatever you fancy, whether it's running or hiking or going to play tennis. And so I really like to get out in nature once in a while, especially with this entirely free and like out in the wild for you to explore. It's really nice, and the smell of pine trees, and looking at nature is just rejuvenating. Living in Bansko also includes doing a facial, and I was recommended this place with Ellie, actually at the gym, when I bumped into another girl who had like pretty nails, and so they also have a manicure, pedicure station, hair salon, but it's like super out of the Bansko town, and so I'm really glad that I chanced upon this. And they do facial. It was really relaxing. She took care of me really well. They even do diamond microdermabrasion, so I knew I had to come in to give my skin a good refresh and some coffee in between. So the weirdest thing just happened. I was just walking on this street coming home as usual from the gym, and then a car just pulls up right in front of me, and I was like, who's this dude who comes in to say hi to me? And then it turned out to be a local friend from Bansko that I met last summer. We bonded over rock climbing, so that was really cool. Didn't think I would see him again, but you know, Bansko is a small town and he was busy, but well, it's serendipity, isn't it, that we managed to meet up at a random street of all days. And since I thought I'm leaving next week, wouldn't have much time anymore, spontaneous me decided to do something with him. So now I'm heading back home to change to swimsuit so we can take a drive and go to the hot springs, because I always love a drive and he drives pretty crazy. So yay! So much for going home to work. I guess that's not happening now because YOLO. It's like midnight and I just got back from the opening party of Bansko Nomad Fest. My heart is so full and it's bursting from all my friends that I'm meeting, like old and new, especially old. It's like seeing a family that I haven't seen for a whole year. And so this reunion, this homecoming was really so heartwarming. Like people just lifting me up, hugging me, and just so much love being exchanged between all of us. And it's super fun. Obviously I might be a bit in an altered state now, but I just feel so happy and so full. And I see that's the reason why people keep coming back year after year. Although I walked home on my own, as I always do, I had a dog for company. Walking home tonight, and look who I got for company. Oh, my heart's bursting. And this reminded me of last summer when I was going back home from a friend's place and I felt so down. Very emotional, and then there was this black dog that just started strolling home with me. It made me feel a million times better. So Bansko dogs are definitely a catch. They are organizing a cold plunge tomorrow at 7:30. I don't know if I can make it, but if I do, I really want to do it. It's becoming quite a regular activity here where we go into the river up and just plunge in the cold. I know it's really good for us, but yes, and I really want to do it. So good night, guys. It's gonna be day one of Bansko Nomad Fest tomorrow. I'm getting ready to go out for lunch. I just did the laundry. I forgot to film it, but I'm proud of laundry because I love doing laundry. And I'll catch you later after this Nomad's lunch. Hopefully the weather is good. It's been pretty sunny this morning, so I am decked out in this. Just finished saying all my goodbyes at the park with my Bansko Nomad friends. Feeling bittersweet, mostly sad to be leaving all my friends while they're still here. But oh well, definitely wish I stayed longer and had more fun because it's been such a fun week. I didn't know I had all this energy. Like surprising. It surprises me. I surprise myself. But yeah, off to head back and catch my taxi ride back to Sofia to head to Croatia where a new adventure beckons. Stay tuned to find out what's going on.